Welcome to Kroolo, your Smart Productivity Powerhouse. In this video, we'll see how you can embed forms in your documents. Here, we have a document, and we want to embed a form here. First of all, navigate to the Forms section. Let's say this is the form we want to embed. Open it and copy the form's link. Now, return to the Docs section. Open your document and navigate to the section where you want to embed the form. Press the / key and type Form. Select Form from the list. Here, we need to paste the link. Paste the URL you copied earlier and hit Embed. And here's our form. Users can scroll down to view all the form blocks, and that's how you can quickly add forms to your documents. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your Smart Productivity Powerhouse.